In the past, for any type of run, you would need to send your parts to a licensed applicator for an expensive cost. They would apply the Threadlocker for you and send it back. But what if you could save some money by doing it yourself with the same quality?
In a world of precision manufacturing, every bolt, every nut, every thread counts. Introducing Tec-Bond 240 Industrial, the revolutionary water-based thread locker from Tectorius. Designed to exceed expectations, Tec-Bond 240 is suitable for general-purpose use, replaces traditional solvent-based adhesives with cutting-edge formulas that not only are environmentally friendly, but also performance-driven. I mean, anyone at their desk can complete small runs with this bottle. Unlike its competitors, Tec-Bond 240 Industrial is microencapsulated, ensuring it remains dormant until the moment of installation. Whether it's resisting humidity or enduring extended storage, Tec-Bond 240 stands ready, ensuring your fasteners stay secure under any condition. Engineered for global manufacturing, Tec-Bond 240 Industrial offers a seamless transition from epoxy chemistry to a solvent-based REACH and RoHS compliant solution. Its low odor and water-based formula makes it ideal for applications where traditional adhesives fall short. Tec-Bond 240 also ships non-hazardous, making it a more economical choice.
Now I will go over the steps on how to apply Tec-Bond 240 industrial grade by hand, then demonstrate. First, you will need to shake your bottle for 60 seconds to allow the thread locker to properly mix. Then take your bolt, ensuring it is properly clean, and place it over the cup. Any excess thread locker will fall right in. You can either apply directly from the bottle or use a pipette. Next, you will set your bolt aside to dry for 24 hours to ensure the best performance.
In addition to Tec-Bond 240 Industrial, Tectorius also offers Tec-Bond PR, which has been developed with precision assemblies in mind, where performance on titanium, stainless steel, special alloys, or plastics is needed. Visit Tectorius.com or contact us today to learn more about how Tec-Bond 240 can revolutionize your assembly line.
Tectorius. Assembly perfected.